Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. For decades, Roush Performance has been taking perfectly good cars and making them even better. Whether it be an improvement to aesthetics, performance, or both, cars that have been given a Roush treatment usually end up louder, faster, and meaner than before. A good example of that is a new 2018 Roush JackHammer Mustang. I don't know about you, but when I think of Roush, two things come to mind: Mustangs and superchargers. The JackHammer continues that legacy with the new Ford 2018 Roush TVS 2650 supercharger, among other upgrades, cranking the horsepower rating of a Ford Mustang GT from 475 all the way up to 710. For your Mustang to be eligible for the JackHammer treatment, it needs to be a 2018 fastback Mustang GT equipped with the 5.0-liter Coyote V-8 engine. Sorry, no convertibles. However, you do have the flexibility of having either the 6-speed manual or the 10-speed automatic transmission. Other preparations that help give this Mustang Hellcat levels of power include engine machining, low-temperature radiator system components, and more. Then there's a menacing appearance package. Nobody will mistake a JackHammer for an average Mustang GT thanks to 20-inch ebony black cast wheels, a thoroughly revised front end that includes hood heat extractors and a front chin spoiler, hockey stick body side graphics, body side scoops, a black rear spoiler, liberal use of Roush badging inside and out, American flag graphics on the rear quarters, and more. If all of that isn't enough for you, there are several optional components you can add to the JackHammer. These include an active exhaust system with quad tips, 3-way coilover suspension, Roush leather seats, a trunk-mounted toolkit, quarter window scoops, a Roush instrument gauge cluster, and more Roush bits and pieces. The starting price for the JackHammer package is only $14,765 above a base Mustang GT. That means the cheapest JackHammer you can get rings up at a little under $50,000. You also get 5-year/60,000 limited warranty protection on powertrain components. Not bad for a potential Hellcat killer. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.